All right, so that gets us to the point we've got to say, well, where are the applicants? Where are they going? And this has been the topic of discussion within team software, within the industry, at every trade show that we've been to, every discussion, every Zoom call that we've had with clients. I was in an HR summit a few weeks ago with an industry association, BSCAI, and this was just the topic of discussion almost the entire time. So where are people and what are they doing? And it's a very complicated mix. There are a lot of theories out there. And the theories are being explored right now. And again, one more caveat, this data changes weekly, monthly, it is almost daily. So what we're really looking at here is a kind of a snapshot, studies that other people have done, studies that we've done over time. But again, our time frame, our sample is only a few months, and then it's hard to project off of that what's going to happen. So it'll be fascinating to come back in a year or two and look at this data, but for right now, we'll share what we've got. First big theory that we've got out there is unemployment benefits. So this has been the topic du jour of the summer. What impact are the extra federal unemployment benefits having on employment searches? Where's the incentive for people to go out there and search? I know there are a lot. I can't see anyone right now, but I'm sure you're nodding along with me. The next one is lack of childcare. That's been a huge one. I know my kids are back in school. Yay! Very happy for that in person. But you know, it's hard to predict what's gonna look like in a month, and that's a variable for a lot of families out there that are trying to work. So what does the childcare situation look like? There's a ton of studies that have been released, of surveys that are out there that are looking at change of career. COVID, the lockdowns, people got introspective and decided to take a look at their careers and what they're doing and whether they're happy. And there's a lot of podcasts on this and discussions and articles like crazy. So I know not everyone I've talked to really wants to acknowledge it, but there is a big swath of the labor force that doesn't want to do what they did before. And that's a reality that we're all going to have to deal with right now. And of course, there's still fear in the frontline work for COVID exposure. And especially now, as we're entering back into a time where everything's ramping up and everyone's really on edge again, there's more fear creeping back into people actually getting sick.